What is going on, guys? Today's where we have a video soundbar, apparently. Nah, this is a video soundbar and a webcam. So you have a 2-in-1, so you have audio, webcam, microphones, basically 3-in-1. Mini all-in-one, it's called video soundbar. So it's a video and a soundbar, I guess. So it's really cool. We're gonna see if this is a gimmick or if it's worth it or not. Made by Rockware. Sounds like a pretty professional company. But yeah, I needed a new webcam and this company contacted me and I was like, yeah, I'm all for it. I need a new webcam. So let's go ahead and try it out. So it says Rockware has been manufacturing products since 2015, so they should be pretty good. 200 plus patents, so over 200 plus products apparently. You have a warranty card. You also have a dear customer card there and a user manual on how to set it up and stuff like that. You do have a tool interface, so you do have a software, but I don't really recommend you should download it because of this issue that I had. But look at the design. You got a privacy protector here as well, so you can easily have peace of mind right there. Now what I like about this one is you can easily twist it 360 degrees and then you can open it up as well and hook up on your monitor. You do have specs here as well. 2.5 watts of power usage, 5 volts, so that's what the USB-C cable is for. And this does look like a pretty lengthy USB cable. It's very high quality as well. Rockware on the bottom, you have USB Type-C right here on the back, and then you have a touch sensor button right here for, I believe, the microphone on and off and the video on and off. I'm pretty sure just microphone. Yeah, I'm pretty sure just microphone. And then when you close this, it'll auto shut off the webcam as well. So you got that, and then you have the speaker right here, 2 microphones right here, so should be pretty good. Now you do also have a autofocus, like a laser infrared right there, so that's pretty cool. You have a tripod mount right here on the bottom, so you can easily put it on a tripod and or hook it up like if you wanted to, you know. So you got that. You can easily put it on the desk as well. Now this does have a ultra wide or a bigger field of view, so you can grasp a bigger area, but you can't zoom it in post if you wanted to or something like that. This is really cool. Webcam already. It's about 4 to 5 inches in length. It's about 4 to 5 inches in length, so it's pretty lengthy than most webcams, but you got a bunch of features packed in. And you also have an LED indicator right here in the front, blue when it's active, red when it is muted or privacy in action. So yeah, seems like a pretty good webcam. We're gonna go check it out right now. I don't want to clean my room because obviously, you know, it deserves a real life experience. You don't have to have a crazy setup or bunch of lighting or whatever. This is just the room lights that I have on right now. As you can see, if I get up close here, you can see the autofocusing on it is pretty good. The color accuracy is not that great. It's like cooling it down for some reason and then it's warming it up. It's weird. And yeah, so it's not a very great camera. It was good at first. I don't know what happened to it, but now it's just like not wanting to focus on everything all the time. Alright, so you're probably thinking about the sound quality on the speaker. I totally forgot when it was doing it, but this is what it sounds like. You should download it because of this issue that I had. Yeah, so it was a no-brainer for that. But yeah, you get the cable and the... Yeah, so it's not really, it's a speaker, but it's not, yeah, I wouldn't recommend using it. It's kind of a gimmick, to be honest.